NJM Insurance Group Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. NJM Insurance Group is well known in select US states, but most people get this wrong. They assume all policies are the same as other carriers. The surprising truth is that NJM focuses on fair pricing, member benefits, and high customer satisfaction, offering auto, home, and umbrella coverage. Pricing varies by location, coverage type, and driving history. Auto insurance premiums can start as low as per month for minimal coverage, while full coverage packages may run to per month. Home insurance averages to $200 annually, depending on property value and coverage options. You won't believe the perks included: claim support, accident forgiveness, bundling discounts, and a member-focused approach that often results in lower premiums over time. Most people get this wrong by assuming cheaper always means better. NJM balances competitive pricing with strong service and coverage reliability, ensuring you're protected without unnecessary costs. In conclusion, NJM Insurance Group pricing reflects the combination of affordability, quality service, and member benefits. By understanding premium structures, coverage options, and included perks, you go from zero to pro in evaluating if NJM is the right insurance provider for your needs.